Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video I have a one phone which is Redmi Note 8 I think, but there is a one problem. It is working, but as you can see it is working, but when we look to back panel, as you can see it is broken in here. Inside this video we will fix it. Okay, let's get started. And first of all, I would like to open using that object for this background in here. Just be careful. I don't know you can see, but there is a one fingerprint reader in here, which means it should be connected with main board. Yes, as you can see in here, it is connected. Just using that object, you can switch the connector from like here. As you can see, we got it, and in here, first of all, I want to clean the old glue around that phone. Like that, and we can take small object and also I have a one glue like that, B7000. It's usually used for glue for that type of process. As you can see, head of really tiny, and I will spread to entire body of this device. And right now I will put to back that fingerprint reader inside my main board. As you can see, it is connected, and I am carefully putting my back inside my board. And for better connection, you can use that type of tire. And yes, as you can see, it is working. I mean, it should be wait about half hour like that. After that, it will be finished. You can open it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.